Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Carry here. So we have a very quick topic here to understand the you guys in simple word can say the order of operator or operators uh, precedence, right? What is that? So that is the how a compiler in which order it calculate priority. What is actually in simple word, if I make it very simple, that which operator or which symbol is on priority, or what is priority list of a compiler to do a calculation based on the operators, right? Which operator will be calculate first, right? Which operation will be done first if we have a sequence of operations into our expression, right? So that is called operator precedence. So we have a, first of all, from here we have a highest to lowest precedence, and the lowest one is here. So in simple word, as I already explained, what is the order of execution of operators via compiler is known as the operator precedence, right? So first of all, like, it's a very simple mathematical way to understand. Like, if we have a mathematics, we have done in high school mathematics, we first of all solve, like, we have a x plus y, and x plus y is in brackets, and then again into uh, a plus b. So what we will do, we will first of all solve our bracket. We do the sum of x and y, then we will do the sum of a and b, then whatever the sum comes of the x and y and a and b, we do multiply of that. So the same logic is here. So what we will do, we first of all solve our brackets, and this for structure or pointers, we use this operator, right? Dot operator and this arrow operator. So this is have a highest priority in our C programming. Then we have a not, and we have a bitwise operator, increment operator, decrement operator, right? Then we have a type, then star pointer, then size of. So these kind of operator have a second after that. Then we have a arithmetic operator, only few. The multiplication, divide and remainder, we have a high priority, then addition and subtraction, right? Then we have a after that we have a left shift and right shift. Then we have a like this comparison operator, right? We have a less than, greater than, or we have a less than, greater than, or these kind of then again we have a equal to or not equal to, have a lower precedence than the greater than or less than. Then we have a again and sign, right? Then we have a or, then we have a again or of bitwise operator. Then these are and or, and these are basically the operators of logical operators, right? So bitwise operator have a high precedence than the logical operator. Then after the logical operators, we have this operator, that is ternary operator, right? The order, in the order of execution, the ternary operator comes after the logical operator. Then after the ternary operator, we have this assignment operator, right? So that is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to. So the reason behind this video, this topic, to let you know, guys, that to write down any expression, we need to use proper use of brackets, right? So if we have understanding of this order, right, so sometime we are doing some calculation and it will not give us that kind of result. It will do some miscalculation. So this could be reason behind that we are not properly using brackets, or we are not properly able to understand the orders of operators, and that is the reason it leads to false result. Like, we are doing plus plus multiplication, then 2 plus plus. So we need to take care this kind of things, that properly brackets and properly orders of operators we follow into our code, so that we can prevent such kind of issues. So this was a very quick topic and a very basic thing to learn. So there is no practical kind of things here. So hope you guys can understand. And if you guys have any query, any question, you guys can comment into the comment box. And the guys who still not subscribe our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos, and share with your friends and family as well. So in next topic, we will talk about typecasting and type conversion. and stay tuned with us, and please share these videos with your friends and family. So thanks for watching. Have a very good day.